Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Right, I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update on the bathroom job. We've been mental busy and been running around here, there and everywhere sorting stuff out, so I apologise that I've not shown you more and more of this, but I am now. So if you've already subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, links in the corner as usual. Smash that link for us, turn notifications on. I'm trying now to be a bit more of a good boy about all this. I'm trying to get a video up on a Monday night and a Friday night. They're the two nights now I've decided on that I'm doing, so that's what, moving forward, that's what we're going to try and do. So like I say, for everyone who does support the channel, genuinely, from all the lads, it means a massive amount to us, so thank you very, very much. So what I'm going to do, give you a little tour of what we've been up to, and let's get stuck into it. So where we are now is, we're at a stage now where we were actually a couple of tiles short because these actually break a little bit easier than expected, and also that we've actually done these recesses in here. So these are just literally to put your shampoo bottles and stuff like that on there. So what we're at the stage now is we've got the silicone in all to do, because I can't fit my shower enclosure, because if I do that, I'm never going to be able to get in that corner. And when I say I'm never going to be able to get in that corner, that means Steve's never going to get in that corner, because he has got the silicone in down to a fine art and he does a wonderful job with it. So we all now kind of go, look, it's better off just leaving Steve to it. You know, we've all got our own areas of expertise and that's what we do. So what I'm up to now, so we've got the, excuse me, the toilet and sink is like a combo built in now. So they're all up and running. We've also fitted the towel radiator that's all nicely done. Now one of the other little things, because all these edges, we silicone all these edges down here, so all the way around. That's why there's no grout line in there, because we silicone all those, because we find that it's actually a better job with siliconing those in. So we use colour matching silicone as well, so it all blends in lovely. So what I also do, not everyone does this, but where the copper pipes are, I actually, a bit sad I know, but I actually put a bit of Brasso on there and polish them up, and they just look a lot nicer, especially against something that is as high polished as chrome. I mean, yeah, could have used chrome pipe, but you try fitting chrome pipe in that is a pain in the arse. So, and the customers haven't specified that anyway. So we've got the LED mirror on, so hi guys. So that's a nice little feature on there. So yeah, so we've got the rainfall shower going on with obviously your handheld shower on that side. So yeah, it's a 1700 by 9 tray, and we've gone for a light grout, which I believe is the gunmetal is what we've gone for. So yeah, so we've just got this bottom row of tiles left to do on there, and they are our new ones, because like I say, we were a few short because of doing these insets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you up into the loft and show you what we've done there. So up here we've got the extractor fan here, which is on a timer overrun. So what I mean by that is, when I turn the down lights off in there, that will run for 2 minutes up to 15 minutes, whatever you set it to. We've set it to the minimum, and that's what, there's a little blue key there if you can see that. So it's just, what we find is the best thing to do is just put a little board on, mount it all up. That fan there is from Gillec, same as these downlights on here, and that fan, I'm not joking you, is absolutely awesome. The amount of draw that has is absolutely brilliant. Definitely going to be, when it's doing inlines, going to be using that every single time, because you know, you can get the smaller ones, don't get me wrong, and they're fine, but obviously the clients pay, you know, they're paying a lot of money. Oh, bit of a Blair Witch there. They pay a lot of money for your bathroom to be done, and you want to keep it in top condition for as long as possible. So it's always better to spend a little bit more money, get the right fans, get the right lights in there, and you know, do the job properly. Now that's vented out. Now on the previous video, which you will have seen on Friday, is where I'm actually, same job here, and let's see if you can see it. See that fan on there? So I actually show you more in detail on there, where that fan there actually vents out to nothing. It goes absolutely nowhere. So even, you see, if you can see down the left hand side towards the bottom of the trusses, that's basically where it goes. So I'll show you, if you, like I say, if you watch that video, I tell you what, I'll put the link up the top of the screen, and you can have a look at that video on there. So what we've also got on here is there's an isolator there, a fuse spur, and some people are like, what's that for? But in this bathroom in here, which I'm actually super excited about doing, and it's the first one I'll be doing on here, is I'm actually putting Bluetooth speakers in, which again is I'm actually waiting for that to be delivered, else that'll be in now. So that was one of the things, because we've actually pushed this bathroom wall back, pinched a bit of their daughter's room to make this a much bigger family bathroom, and they've not lost that much in that bedroom, to be perfectly honest. So yeah, so that's where we're at. I just wanted to give you a bit of an update on it all, really. Like I say, if you want to go and check out Gillec, go and check them out. They do loads and loads of different stuff. That's again who I'm getting my Bluetooth speaker from. If you use the discount code, because they're linked obviously with Consumer Unit World, if you use their discount code GHawk10 for that, then you'll get a 10% discount and stuff on there. But yeah, so go and check them out. But like I say, if you like the videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave your comments below. On one of the last comments we've had, me and Sean were just laughing about it a minute ago, and the lads are doing a lot more videos now. They are cracking on, doing loads more videos on all the construction side, which is fantastic, and it does give you a rest from my voice. So like I say, enjoy it guys. I'll catch you once this is all done tomorrow.